All right, everyone, welcome back for another market recap. Today is October 19th, 2020. Market's down today about 1.5%. We are looking at the SPY right now. The first thing that's interesting to me is that the volume was just average, and for the S&P to be down, about $5 here on light volume is definitely unusual. Usually, when the markets are down big like this, it is on much higher volume, and we just had just average volume really, as per the 50 moving average on the volume signal here. So that's a little interesting to me. I do think that there's a little bit more downside. So again, what I talked about last week, we had this gap here. We have to fill all these gaps. We came very close to filling this one today. Didn't get there. I think we at least get down probably to the previous all-time high level within the next couple of days by the end of the week. And if we break through that, we did close below this trend line. This is an important trend line. But if we do break through this, then you expect to fill this gap here. And I think that's probably about the max downside for this market. I am looking to exit my short positions, my indices shorts, this week. So that would mean a profit on QID, and that would mean roughly a break even on DXD and SDS, give or take 1% or so, as I got in on the QQQ short a little bit later. I was a little bit more patient with that one. And again, the QQQ also has had that major gap that I was looking for to fill. And you can see right here, we filled it today nicely. I think we could possibly, again, trade a little bit lower, maybe into the moving averages. Another small gap to fill there. So, and again, the downside would be right in this area. Would coincide with the same gap that we put in on the spider, the S&P spider. So that's really the max downside I see. I think that I am gonna try and position myself long over the next week or so. Going back to like the seasonality chart you see here, again, it's been very similar. So we had this big peak here, and then it's basically telling us we're going to have another dip, going into the end of the month, and then we have this nice rally before the election. I think just looking at the chart, it makes sense to me. It looks like we would want to retest this area, the hues, the 20 moving average, 50 moving average necktie. And on the spider, the previous all-time high, the 339 level here, or possibly again, this would be my max downside, the 330 area. I don't think we get lower than that. I don't even think we honestly get down there, but it's a level to watch if the market does want to move lower. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to move on here. Keep this video kind of short. Got to talk about the pot stocks today. Absolutely. Look at Aurora. Aurora finally making a move. Look at this. Up 17% on the day. Nice volume, good volume. And the thing that I really notice about this one, as opposed to some of the other days it's made moves, actually we'll zoom out a little bit more here so we can see this a little bit better. But, all right, you notice how today you have the big move up, then you have the bull flag, and then a robust move. We closed at the highs to the penny, down down about 5-6 cents after hours. Not a big deal, but the point is we actually had a bull flag play out on this stock for the first time in a long time. Okay, going back, I mean, really to the pre-earnings rally, which was kind of just short covering. But I mean, look at here. We had this rally off the lows, had a bull flag, faded out. Again, big move up, fade. Big move up, right back down. Every day there's a bull flag. We even had a bull flag here, and when we had that rally a week or two ago. But even on the same day, we didn't get the pop into the close. That's what I want to see. We had a nice move up right here, but I would like to see it pop into the close, and it just shows some follow through. Today we finally got some follow through on this stock. Right now, I think based on the way it's looking to me, it looks like it wants to go up to 6. Maybe tomorrow. I mean that would be a little ambitious. I wouldn't say no to it, but I think at least by the middle of the week, we probably test $6. So this thing, when it runs, it runs. And I mean, you can see right here. I mean, it will move, and it has. I mean, this sector is behind right now. There's a lot of value in here. Why do I say that? Well, we know that it's running because of Biden, the market pricing a potential Biden victory. Well, look at other sectors that can benefit. First, solar ripping up into, basically the election. I mean, it's at, a year-to-date high right now. You look at Jinko Solar. I mean, this company is just ridiculous. Look at this. This is insane. I mean, it was a $20 stock about a month ago, and it's at 75 today. This is, these stocks are running up, so it makes sense that these pot stocks need to catch a bid. Nice little bull flag here in MJ. Tilray also having a nice move today. Nice bull flag. That thing looks like it wants to have a blue sky breakout, maybe back up to 8, maybe the 200, who knows. Canopy, another thing. Boom, big move up here. Still having trouble with that $20 level, but if the rest of the sector runs, it's going to want to get back up to 22, and it'll get back up there in no time. So, but anyway, just really exciting to finally see these stocks move, especially Aurora. Just been getting no love from really any of the algos after that earnings report, that crappy earnings report, and then Afria's earnings didn't help either. But we're gonna watch it. I expect these things to move tomorrow. So we're gonna keep an eye on it, and we're gonna have our fingers on the trigger. If it does pop, we're gonna want to sell into that. Okay. So anyway, that's all I got for today. Keeping it real quick. You guys take care and have a great rest of your week trading.